eat your broccoli? Oh. Eric! Right, we're going to try this again, Eric. We're going to try this again. Now, I want you to show all the kids out there how you eat your broccoli. Right? Eat your broccoli! Eat your broccoli! Eric! Eric, this is take 3. Take 3, right? You've got to show all the kids out there how you eat your broccoli, right? Hang on. Look here. You've got to show all the kids out there how you eat your broccoli. Here it is. Look, yummo. Nice broccoli. Beautiful. See? It's nice, isn't it? Hey? You like broccoli, don't you? Hmm? You like broccoli, don't you? Is it yummy? Hey? Is it yummy, Eric? It's good, isn't it? Hey? It's nice. It is. Oh. It is nice. It's nice, Eric. It's nice. It's nice. Oh.